Hi guys, and welcome to my first video for a long time. Now it's on these, the Apple AirPods. Now if you've seen my channel and that before, you would have seen that I am a massive Apple fan, but recently I haven't really been buying much Apple stuff. I've not really been bothered buying new Apple stuff recently. Just can't be arsed and not really got the money for it anymore. But been wanting these for a wee while, and I was able to add these to my my phone contract. So I just thought, why not? And I've been wanting them for a wee while. So yeah. So here we go. Designed by Apple in California. Blah blah blah. Get a nice wee pull tab to actually get them out, and you get a USB charging cable, which actually surprised me, because I didn't think that you would actually get a charge cable with them, because Apple are stingy sometimes. But that's good that they actually give you one. So I've now got 6 charge cables. Okay, so here's the actual earphones ourselves. There we go. Just get this box out the road. Now I can't wait to actually try the feature where you pair, where it's so simple to pair them, where you just pretty much open the lid, and that's how you pair them. They just instantly pair, which is incredible. So here's the wee case that they come in. It's really neat. It's like little wee floss case, and I like the silver latch, and it's got a nice little click to it, and that's them there. And as you can see, the wee LED is blinking there at the top, which means they are charging, because of course the case actually charges the headphones, and you obviously charge the case at the bottom. And it's amazing, you get 5 hours of battery life, and with 15 minutes charge in the case you get 3 minutes playback, which is phenomenal. So we'll take a wee look at these. Wow, they're super light, like they weigh nothing. And of course they've got all different sensors on them, so they know when they're in your ear and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm liking this, loving this case. It's a fantastic case. And then of course they're magnetic as well, so they get drawn into the case. Yeah, lovely. So guys, thanks for watching.